And so I see these kinds of things with my clients all the time. Meal planning, executing, just finding time to get in the kitchen and cooking meals from scratch. That is a huge challenge. So how does SupperWorks come in and kind of help clients with those things?
For sure. So yeah, that is always a dilemma. So we're doing all the shopping, all the prep work, which is chopping, cleaning, getting everything to the state that you're following a recipe and building a meal. So that right away is helpful because people can have this great plan. I have a shopping list, even go and get the shopping list and have it in the freezer and fridge, but not execute it because life gets happening and our best laid plans are gone. So this is kind of, it's a booked appointment. We've done all that background stuff. You're coming in, you're making your meals, they're going home, they're going into packaging that can go into the freezer, and then you thaw and cook at home. So that we just get involved in that whole executing of the plan, and as long as it's pulled out the night before, you've got a meal there to cook. So and it is hard, it's a struggle. Like, you can buy celery and you can buy all those fresh beautiful ingredients, and then they go into your crisper and they don't get used. So waste is something that we definitely hear people saying is like, okay, I'm coming here, I know I'm getting that fresh rosemary, the fresh dill, I'm getting the fresh ingredients that I wouldn't maybe buy at home, or I'd buy and not know how to use them. So that is a big thing, and that goes into the ideas and the variety as well, because we can always stick with our Taco Tuesday and our spaghetti on Wednesday and then our pizza on Friday, and that redundancy of like the same meal over and over again. So our menu changes every month, so we have 14 different options every month, and it gives variety. So some people do come here for ideas and just looking at different ingredients. They may not, cooking quinoa, you may not have ever done that, or you don't want to go out and buy a big 10-kilogram bag of quinoa and go, I don't know what to do with it. So that's what we look at trending ingredients. We look at things like that we can bring in and introduce, sticking with the family-friendly, everyday run-of-the-mill meals, not something that's like haute cuisine or something like that.
Exactly.
So,
and the meals are so family friendly. I was looking through the May and the June, and I had a hard time choosing which ones I wanted to go with, because I'm sure my family would have loved all of them.
Yeah, so ideas and just a comfort level also in the kitchen is something that I've had 21-year-old young professionals coming in, and mom had likely done a lot of cooking at home, and now they're on their own, and they're just not comfortable. And I shouldn't even say it's just, it's just comfort. Some people, it's not something that they don't gravitate to cooking, but we all have to eat and they have to feed their families. So, I've had ladies come in and say, I don't like grocery shopping, I don't like being in the kitchen. This is a solution for me, because they can come in and in an hour, they've got 6 meals that they can feed their family in. And I do see as they come in often, they get more comfortable. And they sort of see how cooking methods stay the same, so hopefully that's helping them at home too, that they just feel more comfortable in the kitchen, and they're more willing to sort of reach out of their comfort level and try something.
Something new, right?
Exactly.
Which is, you have to do that. You have to.
Just to try something new, keep everyone, and I hear, oh, my kids are so picky, that kind of stuff. And it's like, we gotta expose them to things so that, try it how many times before they like it?
I read somewhere 30, so kids could try something up to 30 times.
So it just helps, just for everyone in the household to expose them to just different things.
Absolutely, I love that. And so this would be a great, for instance, I've seen a few clients who, tend to do all of their shopping for the week in the frozen aisles, right? Because they don't have the time to, come up with ideas and do the shopping. And so this would be a great transition from that, right? To start getting healthier meals on the table, because we're excluding different ingredients that we might want to be getting away from. And that's exactly what we're going to be talking about in our next video.